Hello guys, welcome to How to Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create group chats in Messenger. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch your Messenger. Go ahead and launch your Messenger. And the next thing that you want to do is click on the top right corner of your screen, the blue icon, and it's the icon to create a new chat. And you want to click on create a new group. And the next thing you want to do now is select the people that you want to add in your group. So you can add a few members and a few friends. And the next thing you have to do after that is add a name to your group. For example, I'm going to use the name Group TT. And after that, I have my group. And all you can do now is text to your group. You can add more members. You can even send a link to join the group. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.